In this video, we'll add to our cheat sheet as a form of review for the previous lesson, which was changing the length of an array, CS-ASP023. And we did talk about a few other things in addition to that, so we'll go ahead and add them here too. All right, the first thing that we want to remember is how to resize an array. So first of all, arrays are immutable, which means that they cannot be changed in memory. However, the .NET framework provides helper methods to resize an array. It creates a new array and copies the old values into it. All right, so very cool. And the way you do that is just to call array.resize, and then we use the ref keyword, and then we want to give it the array, and then we want to give it the new size of the array. So in this case, we'll go my array dot length plus 1, like so. And then also we talked about a few other things, that arrays have additional helper methods. So for example, we can get the highest index by using the following syntax. We'll get highest index equals, or let's int equals my array dot get upper bound, and we have to give it the dimension that we want to use, right? And so in this particular case, 0 is the dimension we want to retrieve the upper boundary for. All right, and then arrays have other helper methods. And so, for example, we can do my array dot sum, my array dot min for the minimum, my array dot maximum, so the highest number, my array dot average, my array dot sort. All right, so we can sort either numbers or strings using this, and then there's also my array dot reverse, which will allow us to kind of do the opposite sort. All right, so from highest to lowest versus lowest to highest. Okay, so I think that's all we're going to add here. We learned actually quite a bit in that lesson about arrays. All right, so we're going to continue on in the next lesson, and we'll see you there. Thanks.